And the TikTokers found a clash with the state attorney general, Dr. Dominica Kwabena Ayeni. Over and someone Obeka fa Adu Boahen enrano. Say Papa, I said, I'll make it twist in his speech. So that no to son no near day. 80 Oma class with him. I want to remove the wide and amame. Our comment section. I Penyah broke me. That mess was a need. Obe like video, not that my bonus subscribe button, snap click notification on the latest update. Now back to the wide and amame. Our comment section. So Basoa. No, she first on your biashe. Obe Kaya. Early this year, and about this room said the state attorney general, or the call to be out the former NSB boss and National Signal Bureau boss. Adu Boahen was started case against that is the case a corruption scandal. I call so under his watch as the boss of NSB. As a much be $7 million be. I demand is on fanye state security who to any of some technology being at the Mrano. What is the council boma ba? That time no $7 million as that's a dollar. And number 7 regarding multiplier they say 49 million Ghana cities cano 490 billion. Adu Boahen Kwabena Adu Boahen eboma ba e ma asem no state attorney no edu question na omo etwe ho da e wo court a. Ba nim say asem no ba ko no ase there has been a twist in the narrative. Ewo ho a na say media outlet no aposti and Zambia supposedly the state attorney general aka ase from time to time no na media and give out update on this issue. Update baby I said there seems to be a twist, a mad turnaround from the attorney general. I said attorney general also son no as was his son and now was in a case I said also son no you who have your case the kura echo and the other. Now we say enrano and the state attorney general am no can say me no or be addressing the issue of abutreka and can ofuriata na emu no ena or chipping in Adu Boahen case no or chipping in and what the ko we say munya abutrema me na issue no menka say why say menka to attempt the kebiagu eko like Kimana say Ghana must go back mo they call
they get bloggers, they pay everyone to be saying things that are not. So for instance, if you say the evidence is now coming out that Ghana must go bags of money were being transferred, it's normal at the national security. For God's sake, I didn't say if you look at my case. I never said that Kwabena Adu Boahen stole money in Ghana must go bags. Have I made that case? So what is the relevance of the Ghana must go bags argument? All right, I leave it to you, to your judgment. But if you look at my case, there were bank transfers. And I also have evidence of how the money was spent. Okay? How the money was spent from March 2020 to August 2020. He had finished spending the $7 million. Whether you are whatever exchange rate of exchange you are using, the money was finished, and I have all the bank details, including transfers of 200,000, 100,000, who took it and what. I have all of that. All right. So please, the media, ask the critical questions of them, because I have briefed you, I have briefed Ghanaians, I have made my case, to the Ghanaian people. All right. Nothing has contradicted the evidence that I have presented. And mind you, there is no way that I, given my years of professional experience, will come and tell the Ghanaian people one thing when I do not have the evidence to prove it in court. All right? So you watch the space. When my investigator takes the stand, you will understand very well the case that we've made in court. And from all the cross-examination, I don't see anything that is relevant or damaging to the case that I have made in court.
Science no men can be na me attorney general. If I am able to prove Adu Boahen where we are even one city crowd from the public funds, I've made my case. Just say Maria Majuma. So me prove say where we are one city crowd. Maria Majuma. That's it. State attorney general ekasa. That's it. Emu na ho clear. Emu nya clear mamesa. I don't know what charge ni bakro will say. where we are say $7 million. What this can what bomb ba? But say now no. The state attorney general Bekase if he's able to prove say Adu Boahen has stolen 1 cedi from the public funds, he has made his case there. I mean, the man and then cinematic Musa and cinematic. I know, and as I call me, that's what TikTok is for now. Any attorney general, Abel Clash say, oh man, yes, and yes. None you know, and you know. Onya is as all twisted.
Attorney General Dominic Kayine, Nyamian Mukre, Oguya Rajo Mahama and Masi. Because Ghana for your Wahanum, and I'll buy a press conference catch the Ghana for say, you are Kwabena Adu Boahen. A car one ball mine and Yakatwa. And I didn't know what on say, there be a mechanism say, NDC for Yankophobia, or Mope media trial, dance say, or Mepakodias and more courts. Since I am Kwabena Adu Boahen, semi court, answer Attorney General, Onyas and Papa Bianca Ghana. And now by a press conference until the Oka. Share me Madikiaka, Namigusuka say. Upe and Kofua almost say nipa a dear a NDC for a NDC for the same nipa ding. Ebini Obama Ghana for you now believe say you rap up near the one who are Bokrono, why you say answer F00L and some no F00L and now Kwabena Adu Boahen Yendina Sebunye and so Ghana for you now will say you rap up near the Boahen. Attorney General, no sending some of a kind of don't want I drop. Also, Attorney General, the new person. Maybe send a reshuffle back. Nipa Bako Medicare can the Attorney General because what my NDC and my name was. What my young Rajo Mahama and was. Abba
NDC for Monkan Chere Attorney General Dominic Ayene, Mokofano Krubeso, Bola Benson and Mokofano. Wabon. Wa bon se kun wa bon abon die oni ho die nyina asemi chese Attorney General omaba nyina wodi wo mu gina scale so a Dominic Ayene ontwe 1111 say ontwe 111111 say yete ha ena wo beka Kwabena Adu Boahen enhunsem e kire the whole Ghana for begidi ene o saba beka Kwabena Adu Boahen semwa abuzia he is walking back all those statements that he made about Kwabena Adu Boahen long time ago. Ye de eni enim say Kwabena Adu Boahen oni ensa one prison 5 and 6 ochine ya Kwabena Adu Boahen ensa one prison abuzia say kamia ye say Kwabena Adu Boahen will be walking free. Abusia tieni yo. Kwabena Adu Boahen will be walking free. Yo. It is all because Dominic Ayene onu ohuni say sebe case oba no obe kachire Ghana for na Ghana for di akire ne ye boje ne so Ayene ontwa taw Dominic Ayene and akwa for prosecution witness abusia tieni yo ono akwa for prosecution witness say omra medi adanse ma no afei omukọ court a prosecution witness no akwa dane asem agu eye Dominic Ayene so abusia what be that it means say the guy didn't really vet the prosecution witness and until the person who the prosecution witness was supposed to witness against, say the prosecution witness is now witnessing against Dominic Ayene. Abba, a bombe nkwani. Abusia, mama fani nko na wedie. Ogumu animu ase papa. Ogumu animu ase. Onka kambientia. Oforiata. High, the best lawyers in the US, and it will be difficult for Ghana to bring Oforiata back. Naga say ontina ho, sabe wa bono ontina ho, nako na wo for 2x4 law no, ebe chechere no. No ono dia onkofa lawyer. Hey, Dominic Ayene wabon papa. Defense is about say who put up a case such that you will win against the other party. Enoti oforiata se owonisika na se oba kofa the best lawyers in the world. You have to be able to go and challenge those lawyers and then bring oforiata back. But because it's a wabon, na yen nimba bia NDC for kofa ni free buy yenti. And ojina simpie so keka ensem say papa na bon. Sometimes I wonder hefa and NDC for kofa no papa okosuku wo hefa sebe bia na okosuku papa bi ewo Ghana ha say anase abrochire but they all chire pa de unless people question the credibility the lawyering skills lawyer no ekamia yese ono de tobe enkoa na oye ewo Ghana ha say hwekai we de momefa no ontwetau sa lawyer we die de mi ye kura se eyebia kasa me kasa bebrebe mi gina simpie so a metimi aye de hia ne se obekire me se law ye ni say metimi aye aboroso empokura ebia metwa Dominic Ayene wabon ba ebia ye kire me kakra bia metwa no aputo.
You see, Oforiata ne said in Tamaklo. Omumi unu hwan ena was attorney general. Eni bere omumi unu so Ghana. Attorney Ken Oforiata. 1 year ni wo attorney general won charge no. Emfa ne court. Kisi ajabe ne so me investigation but investigation say nipa na wo accuse no ni hokra you can go to court. Because even if the person comes, he has the right to remain silent. Opano kasa faneko court. You can try him in absentia. Setinam tamakula yamani sikaso fanko kantamantu. Fire victims so our tam sikano Ghana must go mudiguni kem koe. Our then start a court I say or call or jail leave, sick leave say or de koheno honsa yare wa amebu. Omo try no in absentia. You are convicted by court of competent jurisdiction. Ade no no extradition mfanema. Onu muma ya convicted the all can say yes. Court can na say buane for amane judgment sentence. I was say adobeduru Ghana bia de ne konsawem ana keep kus maximum prison ana Kumasi Central. Onu no de ne hian. So be kwa akopɛ naba na obi a wunye ni nasem ono na wuwesi o man ni sika na wo ne ho sɛ okofa naba
go so crowd say asem na kwa ko di US judicial authority nten
enti wuntimi mfiti preko enipa na yedi nasem awie no ono mum na wo sɛ wo exert wo energy wo effort bibia to get her down. Try this man too in absentia if you have any case against him. Try him in absentia. Na court no so one file case bia defense bia me any case no so en defending him. Court no should pronounce judgment and sentence him if found guilty. Then start the process of what? Extraditing him here. But obia undi nasem, you are putting all your energy on him. Nye yedi nasem I am man a sentence also Babe 7 on the here. What kind of you can say legal dear is this me lawyer and you are more lawyers. What kind of thinking is this? Let me put it this way. What kind of thinking is this? Said the yedina sema court to buana de unhiano. Ni untimi mfane court enku charge no. A special prosecutor na de na court. Ono no hu hia chen ne yedi nasem na me keke anya me nwanwa onim de ntia attorney general we buy no na NDC for penning for past government ni be bridge na court omo no bebre na omo nsem no kra yedi awie anesa baako de na aka judgment judge no koka say omo san start because the otena asem so wie no ko pension eno no abenti opeso sa sha asem na se ano mu gina Supreme Court Attorney General filing for review challenging the High Court decision ni sa ni omano obaye no o pile our line up sa cases ni na e de court eko file for null prosecution say aban any nyi case ni hu bio ye mpese ye beto aso enti da bia me kama sem say sika bi nchen sika bi o yes ade na what you are doing is say ma omo ko public office no omo hunu say so odi boni bi kra ni hia ne se na ban beba power ye beja no o set a bad precedent at all because they say one man who say what jai NDC for appointees
Ghana they are na heslu atomic bombs one they also have a can so now him say more hand over butre kananka like magic and euphoria na omo America the answer no mbi obema no demo copper see true omo call system anye yikwa demo side the federal court is the bende FBI for by na omo de be 5 minutes by na Ghana for police for New York ne wan aka omo no makoya arrest kwaji obi ono abo Ghana man kan no aba bebu akonta je kofa law na de bende be ye had ye ni law ni bi as a mu huru ye real as a mu huru ye mukita power na mu as a mu huru nipa
Attorney General untumi fa ya adwin media go untumi fa 1931 asem mugusu ahodi nende o ka bibia fa bilateral de ben ho abutre kade ya esi adentina manfa omo so anko the same process nim etibo patch say ye ni lawyers wa ha say ya they can also defend abutre kat say na wo ka say lawyers no mo United States no omo ye can say smart enough to defend Kanoforiata enu ntia bema edwuma na ye den amawo koto de ne bodwe so it means say lawyers na mo wa ha say no you can't protect us abutre kat ya be fa no within a second ya be fa no ko na ye die o beto to story beat around the bush and away ye hwemo ya ye din ye hwemo yankasa o
abutre kat ya o machi ni any ensema about an hour ago Dominic Ayini the Attorney General edi ababeto abonti na busua se wunya abutre na wutie eye Dominic Ayini the Attorney General na ye Ghana ni ba se odo Ghana in fact ohwebe ho tia omochi eye abutre kani nyina no abusua Attorney General no ananu mutum or say he thought that the principle of reciprocity applies. Now say ka say principle of reciprocity it is supposed to exist between two or more factions and other parties, meaning say enkiedi we kono na nkienya we when Attorney General be enum e kan ni pain say enkaye de abutre kama wo mo a we expected them so many Kanoforiata be maye nenso amana sa what so abutrika was used as a scapegoat. Not because of the system, no, again say, yeah, the papa bit said there's some George Becker and say, ye cleaning system, the name they were using the butcher as a scapegoat. There am I in some Attorney General better mountain, funnier to me. Crying and say, yeah, dear butcher come out one more. Now I was almost day, Kanoforiata, am I no? One more chair, so more American chrome one dear. Almost system of course in the behind right. I was say go through here. As I said, the federal, if any said district court, then answer. Then no crown wako where we know Kanoforiata or far. If any say lawyers say kuku them be American. Or money ne kun. No one says sisi ade than a fight. Say a whole lot of bullshit. And the Attorney General is telling us. But today we will go live on YouTube and we will detail much of the whole conversation plus other updates are developing. But it's one thing, Attorney General he thought say the principle of reciprocity ever apply. Chi ebutre kano a ode no come America for no. Nanka omonfa eye keno foriata enso emano nenso amanesa. America disappoints the Attorney General and the whole Ghana court system. Omachi ensi ye jin my background TV.
Today wa dwe mama e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!